Welcome back. In this video, we are going to simulate a process of landfill gas purification and liquefaction. Landfill gas will consist of methane and carbon dioxide. First, we will remove carbon dioxide and liquefy it. Then, we will do the simulation of methane liquefaction. This series will consist of 5 videos. First will be introductory video with landfill gas compression and dehydration. Second will have carbon dioxide removal, and in the third video, which will be the extension of second video, in which we will simulate dual refrigeration for CO2 removal, and then our main video, methane liquefaction, and the fifth video will be the extension of fourth one, refrigeration for methane liquefaction. So this is the overview of our process, in which landfill gas first compressed and dehydrated. Then it will go for CO2 removal, in which our product is liquid CO2, and refrigeration cycles will assist this process. In this CO2 removal, we will have cryogenic distillation. Then our gas, which is mainly consists of methane, will go into methane liquefaction. Methane will be liquefied using refrigeration and pressure drop process, while residue methane will be recycled back into the process. This process is going to be a comprehensive process to simulate in Hesperonychus. So let's start.